morning! I am in Isfahan, just finished showering and getting ready for breakfast. I'm going to check out today and we'll move to a couch surfing house. Let me show you how this person. Salam! This is she's cooking me what? Oh, look at the breakfast! I have to check out today and I'm gonna get ready. Checking out now, I'm going to pay the landlord. I have arrived at the my couch surfer's workplace actually. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Hi. So I have YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, I share travel stories, and especially in Iran, a lot of people have a lot of misconception when I say I'm going to Iran. I was like, oh, you better go. So guys, I am currently at Reza's apartment and he just left because he is staying at his father-in-law house, which is located in another city, but he's kind enough to let me stay at his apartment alone. Trust me with the key. That's the thing with couchsurfing. So I'm currently with other with other four travelers. Do you want to say hi? Hello! So two of them are Iranians, one is Singaporean and one is from Germany. Welcome to the, how do you say Nashk? Nashk. Nashk. Welcome to Nashk Square. Further together? Yeah, okay. Traffic in Iran, it's quite, they don't follow the rules. They don't follow the rules, do they?
There are no rules.
There are no rules when it comes to traffic. Why, Ali? Why?
because we all follow our heart. And we know.
So Ali, can you explain a little bit of the food, what it is? This one,
This one is the most famous one for Iran. Like everywhere you can find it. Beans and meat and vegetables, like mixed up.
Oh, what about this one? This is eggplant.
Like eggplant and meat. Just
That's the kebab. That's also the same thing, yeah? What about this one? Chicken with
tomato sauce.
So in Iran, one thing that shocked me quite a bit is that how many women and men actually gone through a nose job. And I was asking one of my Iranian friend why, and they said because they want the nose to be smaller. Is that right, Ali?
Yes.
Yes. Do you want your nose to be smaller?
Oh no.
No? So Isfahan Square is directly connected to Bazaar. Dina and I are currently at a carpet shop, and then we were just chatting, and then the guy is inviting us for a tea. Yay! 你会说中文对不对啊？
对的。
对啊，你叫什么名？
我会学一点中文。
你叫什么名字啊？
我叫 Hamid。
Hamid。Dina, Ali and I are going to a tea house. This is Dina's camera. Yeah. So we're currently at a tea house. What's so special about this tea house, Ali?
The pots and pans above the head.
Yes. Yes, it looks really antique. Smile, Dina. Explain what you're doing.
I am putting nabat.
Nabat? Oh, that's a traditional sugar, yeah?
And this is elephant ears, which is a type of sweet. You can eat it with tea.
guys, I'm currently at Kaju Bridge, which is one of the finest bridge that you can find in Iran. And this bridge was built during the Shah King time of era, so you can tell that how old is this bridge. Usually like there are water that goes through, however it's been like 6 months, that because it's also winter, that it doesn't have any water whatsoever, so you can just walk around and enjoy the lights, enjoy the nights. So I guess that's pretty much about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time in my next video, and don't forget to give a like, subscribe to this channel, comment, and yeah, I'll see you again next time. Bye.